Congratulations on your first $1,000. Saving your first $1,000 is awesome. This is a big step towards financial freedom. Now let's make that money work for you. Investing might seem scary, but it doesn't have to be. With some simple steps, you can start growing your wealth. This guide is here to help. We'll cover simple ways to invest your first $1,000. No complicated jargon, we promise. Think of this as the beginning of your investing journey. Every journey starts with a single step, and guess what? You've already taken that step by saving that $1,000. Let's dive in and explore the exciting world of investing. Why not just keep your money in a regular bank account? Well, inflation can eat away at your savings. Imagine putting $1,000 in a piggy bank. In a few years, that same $1,000 won't buy as much because things get more expensive. Investing helps your money grow faster than inflation. It's like planting a seed that grows into a tree. The sooner you plant, the bigger the tree can grow. Investing early gives your money more time to compound. Compounding is like magic. It's when your money earns money, and then that money earns even more money. Ready to make your money work harder? Let's explore some options. So you're ready to invest. Great. Here are some beginner-friendly options. High-yield savings accounts. These accounts offer better interest rates than regular savings accounts. Your money is safe and grows steadily. Exchange-traded funds or ETFs. ETFs are like baskets of stocks. They let you invest in a variety of companies with just one purchase. This spreads your risk and can offer good returns. Stock market basics. You can buy individual stocks in companies you believe in. Research is key here. Start small and learn as you go. Robo-advisors. These are digital platforms that do the investing for you. You answer some questions, and they create a portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. Remember, it's okay to start small. Even investing a portion of your $1,000 can make a difference over time. Section 4. Spreading your risk diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying means spreading your money across different investments. This reduces risk. Think of it like this. If you only invest in one company and it doesn't do well, you lose money. But if you invest in multiple companies across different industries, you're more likely to come out ahead. You can diversify by investing in a mix of ETFs, stocks, and other assets. It's like having a safety net for your investments. Section 5. Start today and watch your money grow. Investing your first $1,000 is a huge achievement. It shows you're serious about your financial future. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Don't get overwhelmed by all the options. Start small, do your research, and don't be afraid to ask for help. There are tons of resources available online and in your community. Investing is a journey, not a race. The most important thing is to start now and let the power of compound interest work its magic. You got this.